Welcome to qnawire.
Alright, so for this question, we're told that to suppose that x takes a value in between 0 and 1, right? So x is in between 0 and 1, and has a probability density function, PDF, of 2x. So PDF f of x is going to be equal to 2x. Right? We are asked to calculate var of x and var of x squared. Right? So we'll use this formula, right? So var of y, right, for example, is equivalent to the estimated value of y squared on the inside. So estimated value of y squared minus estimated value of y squared. Right. So first we can compute the estimated value of x. Right. So e of x, right, is equivalent to, we know the bounds are 0 and 1 for the integral, right, x times 2x, which is the formula for finding expected value of a PDF, and then dx, and that is simply going to give us 2x squared, which will evaluate out to x cubed over 3 times 2, and then we'll plug in our values and you'll simply get 2/3. Then we also need to find e of x squared. Alright, and so what does that tell us? That is the integral from 0 to 1 of x squared times 2x dx. And this time we'll get 2x cubed instead of 2x squared, and that will give us x to the x over 4. So then, it'll give us x to the 4 over 4. So it'll essentially give us x to the 4 over 2. When the 2's will cancel out, so that will give us 1 over 2 minus 0 over 2, so 1 over 2. And then finally we need to find the second one, which is e of the estimated value of x squared on the outside, which is the same thing as estimated value of x to the power 4, and we'll see how that works out later. So then we'll have x to the 4 times 2x dx, and that will simply give us 1/3. So now we'll input our formula that we had up here. Var of x is going to be equal to e to the x squared minus e to the x squared on the outside, and that gives us 1 over 2. Right, that was our value for e to the x squared, and then e to the x is 2 over 3, which is 4 over 9, so minus 4 over 9. And that basically gives us 1 over 18. Alright, and then we can also find var of x squared, which is the second thing we're asked to find. And to find that, we need to find e to the x to the 4 minus e to the x squared, that one squared, which will essentially give us 1/3, as we found out e to the x 4, minus e to the x squared is 1/2 squared, which gives 1/4. So when you subtract those two, you get 1 over 12. So using this formula, we actually were able to find out var x and var of x squared. We plugged in, found the integrals. Var of x was 1 over 18, and var of x squared is 1 over 12.